Hey guys, Nikki Sharp and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I would do a little bit of a different style video, and don't mind me, I'm in my workout clothes. I just got back and something got delivered, which I'm very excited to show you. Okay, here we go. So what got delivered is this guy. So I'm gonna do a whole unboxing and talk about each product and show you a little bit about it and why I think it's a great product. So without further ado, this is the unveiling unboxing of the Detox Market box. What I like very much about it is that it obviously comes with this pretty bow. It's in a white box. It's very heavy, I must say. Like, whew, I feel like I could do some weightlifting here. It's a very elegant looking box. So, and it's small as well. I'm very excited to see what products are inside. So let's take this off. And what's nice about the ribbon is that there's actually a little elastic thing there, so you could use it again. Maybe I should put it in my hair like this. Let's try this. I'm kind of struggling, aren't I? No? Okay, we'll just put it up here. Okay, that's cute. Alrighty. Let's come a little closer. So now that we have our cute little bow in our hair, it's time to unveil. Lift up. Oop. Hello, beautiful. Let's see what's in. So Detox Discovery. I'll show you guys this. And I really like that they're doing this. They're putting all of the different products, how much they retail for, and what they're good for. So we have the, let's see, multi-purpose balm, which can be used anywhere the body needs some love. Bursting with hemp seed oil. So I'm sure you guys have seen hemp seed oil is like all over the place. That's because it's really, really good for you. It also has, let's see, nettle, dandelion, and gamma linolenic acid, aka omega-6. So I'm excited to try that. They have a cleansing oil, a pre and probiotic, and Hum Nutrition I really love. I think they're a great company, so I'm excited about that. There's a serum that's actually Odysite, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's their brand, and it's a roll-on for under the eye. Then we have a mask, a tonic, an enchanted lip sheer, and a deodorant. So there we go. All right. So now that we have the box here, I'm trying not to spill everything out at once. Voila. Alrighty. So it obviously comes with paper. I'm sure this is recycled because Detox Market is all about recycling and organic products. Okay, my room is a mess now, side note. So now that all of that is gone, and I feel like I have it everywhere, here's what's in the box. Now, we have the, okay, I'll do these one by one for you. The facial serum, the cleansing oil, the Hum Skin Heroes Pre and Probiotic, which I recommend everyone take a pre and probiotic. Next up is, oh, the Here and There Balm. So that's what that guy looks like. Then we have the Liquid Exfoliant. Let's see, what else? Oh, there's the Lip Sheer. the enzyme mask. And what else do we have? I showed you guys that one. Oh, and the deodorant. Okay, I think that's all the products. And the deodorant. So all right, so this one is activated charcoal, and we know that charcoal is an amazing thing to help detoxify the body. Now, when it comes to deodorants, and especially putting them there where your lymph nodes are, you really, really want to go for a natural deodorant. So let's have a smell and see what it's like. This one is a natural aluminum-free, which aluminum-free is super important as well. A gender-neutral essential oil scent for sensitive skin. All right. And it has some amazing ingredients. The main ingredient is coconut oil. God, there's so many amazing ones. Lemongrass, peppermint. So, ooh, smells super yummy. So there's just a simple roller there. Let's try. Ooh, it smells so good. That is definitely going in my kit. It's a little bit heavier than roll-on deodorants that I've normally used, but that's okay. It's totally worth it. It smells amazing, and it seems like it works pretty well. It went on quite easily, and because there's coconut oil, my skin feels very smooth and hydrated, and I don't feel like it'll chafe at all. So that for me is definitely a win. Piper Y, you guys did well. So we'll put that there. Next we have the tinted lip sheer. Let's see what color this is. Narcissus. All right, so that's that guy. My hands are all oily from that. All right, so that's that color. I'm not a huge fan of lip color so much, but let's try. So for me, it goes on nicely. I just don't think it's the best color for me. But that being said, it's very hard, obviously, to do a lip color that suits everyone. So still a nice one, and that is by Rituel de Fil. Rituel de Fil, a French brand. Next we have the liquid exfoliant. I will not put that on now. But it says apply 2 to 3 times per week in the evening after cleansing. So I'll try that and let you guys know how that one is. Obviously these I will definitely be taking. Let's see. Just in case you haven't tried Hum, I'll tell you it's 2 capsules and their directions are, it doesn't say. It just says 2, take 2. I really do like this brand though, and they actually sponsored my podcast, the Adulting Podcast, and Zach and I never bring on brands unless we've tried them, we believe in them. So for me, I can actually personally say I love Hum Nutrition and I love everything that they're putting out. And if they're also getting the go-ahead by the Detox Market, then you know it's a good product. So a win from me, a win from the Detox Market. Next we have the Native Atlas Zahara Enzyme Mask. So interesting, 2 masks in this box. I don't think they needed that, and I think I would have preferred to have maybe a moisturizer and a mask, but that's okay. So this one is, again, use in the evening once a week, apply to clean skin for 3 to 5 minutes. So yeah, I mean, a bit strange to have 2 masks in the box, but I'll try them both, why not? Oh, they're both by Native Atlas. So I'm actually gonna go see what the difference is between them. Maybe you put that on and then that, I'm not sure. This is the Here and There Balm, which is, my armpit smells so yummy. Oh, it's green. I was not, oh yes, spirulina, okay. Wasn't expecting that. So, let's do that guy. And oh, you can definitely smell the spirulina a little bit, but let's see if you can see that. It smells super yummy. I can definitely smell. So I decided to try this and let you guys know how it is. I'm just putting it. It feels very nice on the face though. It feels very much like a mask, which is good. And I know it says to do it in the evening, but of course we have to test the products for you guys. And now we wait 3 to 5 minutes. So it's definitely getting stickier on the face and I can feel it tingling, which the bottle does say you might feel some tingling. So I have about 2 more minutes left and then I will go wash it off. So this has been on 5 minutes and as you can see, it's kind of like tightened my skin and my skin is a bit red. So this one again, so this one is the Zahara Enzyme Mask, and yes, it does say redness and tingly skin is normal. So as you can see, now I do have some discoloration going on there and I have some kind of old acne marks there and on my skin cheeks. So let's hope this mask does wonders. I will definitely try it at night and then go to bed as you're supposed to, but for now I go wash it off. As you can see, my face is a little red after washing that off. Definitely do the mask at night because I don't know how long this will take to go away. My camera died and so I decided to test out the products. So I kind of skipped the step, but I did the cleansing oil before the mask and this was nice. I mean, honestly, kind of like every other face oil that I've tried where you rub it for a few minutes and then you take it off with a cloth, and it does work to really remove all of the makeup, and it took off my mascara super quickly. So for me, pretty much all cleansing oils are the same. Definitely buy an organic brand. This seems like a nice one. It's pretty big. I'm personally a fan of slightly smaller ones, but that being said, it is a nice one, and rose hip is a great ingredient to have. So this by Pi is give or take for me. So far, all the other products are go-tos, definite. And all right, next up we have the serum concentrate, and I wanted to show you guys this one because it's a roller. And they do say that you can mix 2 to 3 drops in your cream or apply alone. So it is a serum, but it's an eye contour. Of course, I don't, oh, there's the box. So let's see. This one has baobab, lavender, wood oil. So not sure how it smells. Oh no, it smells quite nice, but not amazing, but that's okay because we don't want too much fragrance on the skin. So it says apply morning and night, and then baobab oil targets all visible signs of aging around the fragile eye area, helping to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And then there's other things. So what I do like is when brands actually tell you the ingredient and then what it's good for. So we're gonna try this. 2 to 3 drops is a little hard because it's, I shook it, I shouldn't have done it. But let's do that. Put it under the eye there. And we'll go crazy around the eye. And I guess that's all you do. Let's pick that back up. I can't say I super love it because I like things that if it's gonna be a roller ball, that I can really use it around the eye to also calm any puffiness. But for now, I think I put too much on. So I'll maybe like tap that in. And this is a good thing if you're putting anything around the eye to do gentle taps. That also helps to reduce the puffiness. So we'll do that. And they do this a lot in Ayurvedic massages or facials, just to stimulate everything going on. So that's a good way to mix product in by doing this. If you have a jade roller, this would also be a good one to use the jade roller. So, voila. What do you guys think? Do I look beautiful now? Do I look fresh and clean and all detoxed out from the beauty products? My skin feels super good though. And of all of them, Hum is obviously one of my favorite brands, and I have products literally everywhere here. I'm super curious to try that one, but I would say these two are I really like this one as well. And I did like the mask. So those are all my go-tos. I think that this is a definite yes to get this box. They did not sponsor this video in any way. They did send me the box though, full transparency, but I've been working with the detox market for a while. I'm a huge supporter and a huge fan. So I'm doing this video just because I want to share the products. And if you're gonna order a box, then I think this is a great one to do. So for now, I will go reapply the makeup because I have a dinner to go to, and hopefully this redness goes away. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do so because there is a new video every single week and I have a lot of new fun content coming for you. Until next time,